Yo. What's happening? Back, man. It's your dog. You know what I'm saying? Back up in here with another one of them things. It's day 9. And I haven't did anything all day. When I said all day, man, I ain't done nothing all day long, bro. Well, yes I have. Man, I've been on GTA all day. That is crazy. I ain't played the game like that in I don't know how long. Man, I've been on the game all day, man. Crazy. But anyway, so y'all probably don't know, but I have an issue with the fire chicken, red bird, right? And on these cars, the belt tensioner ain't worth a crap on the V6 cars. So when it goes out, they only give you a year warranty on these jumps. When it goes out, it does crazy stuff. Like, it'll break the belt in half. Like, it'll break the belt. And you can't drive the car really in water. Well, you can drive in the rain, but you can't hit no puddles because it'll throw the belt off. It will throw the belt completely off of the car. Crazy, right? So I ordered me one yesterday. And it's been going on for a while. I don't know why I hadn't ordered it, but I mean, I was riding it, you know, whatever. But I ordered one yesterday, so I'm about to head up here and pick it up. I meant to do it. I was supposed to put it on today, but it started raining. And it was supposed to rain all day. But just my luck and the way things are set up for me, it didn't rain all day. It rained, and then it stopped raining, and then it rained again, and then it stopped raining, and then it rained again, and then it stopped raining. So I was like, I'm not even finna deal with this dog. Like, man, I'll just get up tomorrow and do it. And also, Ashton's transmission mount came in. So we're gonna look like we're gonna be working on cars tomorrow. I gotta put, y'all heard the belt squeaking. See, it's doing it now. It's just the tensioner just. I'm pretty sure it's been on here longer than a year. Cause I know I didn't change it last year. I don't think I did anyway. But I'll show y'all the tensioner and why I don't like dealing with it. Which some of y'all may be familiar with this, but I don't like dealing with these tensioners because it takes too much to take it off. It's not like just the tensioner piece. You got to buy a whole piece for this. Like, this is retarded to me. But alright, so I'm gonna show y'all this. Show y'all the tensioner. Show y'all the trans mount. Ashton gonna put the trans mount on tomorrow. Since it's already loose. Man, what y'all doing, man? The light green. Since that mount is already off, make sure he go ahead and get that in there. And yeah, like I said, I'm finna start him off just like how I started off. You know what I'm saying? With my first car, like, I had to be able to do basic functions before I was even able to move that car. Like, I had to be able to do basic stuff. So he's finna get a crash course on working on his own vehicle, because unless it's something major, I'm not doing it. I'm not working on his car. I got too many of my own that I gotta work on. Plus my wife's cars. So the only way that I work on his is that it has to be something major. Like something that I know that he just not gonna be able to handle. Other than that, buddy, you are about to get the crash course. So let me run up at O'Reilly real quick, grab my tensioner, get back out here so I can get back to the house. Hold what you got. Yeah. Y'all see that box? Quick 5 minutes, man. I don't even think it was that long. I don't even think it was 5 minutes. But yeah, we headed back to the crib now, shawty, cause it's kind of chilly outside. Well, not really, cause I ain't got on nothing but a V-neck, so it ain't that chilly. But get on back to the crib. I don't know what I'm gonna do tonight, man. I'm probably just get drunk and play Uno. Hook up on the kids. Hook on Ashley, hook on the kids. You know what I'm saying? That Uno, man. You know what I'm saying? That might be what I do. Oh boy. I almost didn't even do no video today. I'm tripping, really. I'm really tripping. My dude could have came and finished the car today, but it's supposed to rain all day, and it didn't rain all day. You know what I'm saying? Like, it threw everybody off. You know what I'm saying? Like, man. Then I think tomorrow's supposed to be cold. Like, man, come on, man. But like, me and Ashley did a little dashing last night. Come on, man, cause you in the way like a motherfucker, man. Me and Ashley did a little dashing last night, man. You know what I'm saying? Got a little money and all about. I ain't vlogging cause, man, we was getting it. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't really vlogging. I was doing all the driving. So I ain't really vlog nothing. Man, that's our Infinity truck. Don't look bad. Well, I ain't gonna see it because we got this guy in front of me that don't seem to know what he need to be doing. You in the way. Yeah, man, we got a couple dollars last night. So that was cool. We got a couple dollars to go. 300 just came through there. What else? Nothing else, man. You know what I'm saying? Went and got me something to drink. Came to the house, laid it down. So I need to now I need to go ahead and get back in. What time? 6 o'clock? I think it's like 6 o'clock. I ain't got my watch on. That's how I know I ain't did nothing all day. I came out the house specifically to go and get this part and then plan on doing nothing else. I don't plan on doing nothing else. So I'm finna go in here, gonna let y'all see what this tensioner look like and why I don't like dealing with them. And I'll show y'all that. Well, I'll show y'all. I can show y'all the trans mount, but I'd rather show y'all when I can show y'all the new one versus the old one. Hold on, let me get this so I can go in the house. Get this out of here. So this is the part number 23, the Murray's one, 233-5232. I'm not sure if y'all familiar with these. But this is the belt tensioner for the Firebird. Oh, now they send aluminum ones. Okay. Because at first they was plastic. They used to send the hard plastic one of these and they used to break and they used to leak. Now they got the aluminum. I got some aluminum ones on there already, but no, they didn't send no more O-rings, so I just use these, put these on there. But yeah, so this is the tensioner. I have to take off damn near my whole front of my motor to take this. To take the tensioner off. I gotta run lines in it, run the coolant lines in it. Or this one. Yeah. And yeah. Well, no. That what's called go in there. One of them aluminum pieces go in there, and then the other one goes here. I think something like that. I don't know. Yeah, one go right there, so the other one gotta go here. But either way, man, you know what I'm saying? It's just that's a belt tensioner. Man, this right here, this area and this area is a belt tensioner. Why did GM design the V6s with this whole thing right here as the belt tensioner? That don't make no sense to me. But hey, I'm not the car designer, so I guess it ain't supposed to make sense to me. But so that's the task that we have to tackle for tomorrow, because I have to do that because I don't know when it's gonna rain again. And every time it rains and I drive my car, I be like on eggshells because I be thinking my belt gonna pop off. So yeah. And look, we got this for Ashton. This right here is going to be Ashton's best friend right here. This book right here is gonna be his best friend because he's gonna have to learn how to work on his car, man. That's gonna help him because they helped me. My Camaro book is still over there. I don't know where my Caprice one is. I ordered one for the Caprice, but I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna have to order another one. But that Haynes manual, matter of fact, I'm gonna take it in here too now. This Haynes manual, nah, this it, dog. That's it. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this video right here because really ain't nothing else to talk about other than there ain't nothing else to talk about. My bag right there, camera, this. Yeah, I need to take this back here so I can go ahead and upload this video. Give me a good thumbnail. And that's gonna do it. So yeah. When I come back tomorrow, man, y'all gonna see me either putting the tensioner on, or y'all gonna see that it's already on. And y'all gonna see Ashton putting on his transmission mount. And who knows, Dalton might be here tomorrow to finish up everything on Ashton's car. And we might get a first drive out of that. So, I don't know. Stay tuned. Appreciate y'all for coming back. Appreciate y'all for checking in with me every day. You know what I'm saying? During this Vlogmas. I really appreciate that. Yeah. But with that being said, man, it's your dog, Big Beelo, Mr. Ain't himself. Check out them links. Like, comment, subscribe. Come on, man. We're trying to get to 100 likes, man. 100 likes. Can I please get 100 likes on these videos, man? Just to show the algorithm that y'all care about what Beelo talking about. 100 likes. 75 I ain't gonna be mad, but 100 likes is really what my goal is. So, with that being said, I'm out of here. See y'all tomorrow.